Today's my topic is infertility. Infertility is the inability of person, animal or plant to reproduce by natural means. Infertility happens when a couple cannot conceive after having regular unprotected sex. The main symptom of infertility is not getting pregnant. The most common causes of female infertility includes problem with ovulation, damage to fallopian tubes or uterus, or problem with the cervix. Age can contribute infertility because as women ages, her fertility naturally tends to decreases. What are the signs of infertility in females? In females, signs of infertility may include pain during sex, heavy, long or painful periods, dark or pale menstrual blood, irregular menstrual cycle, hormone changes, underlying medical conditions, obesity, not getting pregnant. Prior to 1978, infertile couple had two options, adopt or be childless. Today, infertile couples have many options to have a child, such as fertility drugs, test tube babies, artificial insemination, surrogate motherhood, etc. The couple could be assisted to have a child through certain special technique, commonly known as assisted reproductive technology, also called as ART. Now we will discuss about in vitro fertilization, also called as IVF technique. It is a process of fertilization where an egg is combined with sperm outside the body in a test tube or a glass plate to form a diploid cell zygote under hygienic conditions in the laboratory. The zygote or early embryos with up to 8 blastomeres could be then transferred in the fallopian tube for the further development. This is called as in vitro fertilization. Next treatment of infertility is zygote intrafallopian transfer. In this treatment, the zygotes are placed in the oviduct. This oviduct, also called as a fallopian tube. In this treatment, when there is a blockage in this fallopian tube, then which prevent the fertilization of egg by the sperm. In this method, egg is removed from the woman's ovary. Fertilization of egg with sperm is brought about outside the body under the sterile condition to form zygote by the process of in vitro fertilization. The zygote is then transferred into the fallopian tube for the further development. This is called as a zygote intrafallopian transfer. Gamete intrafallopian transfer. Transfer of an ovum collected from a donor into the fallopian tube of another female who can provide suitable environment for its fertilization and development. This technique called as a gamete intrafallopian transfer. This technique has been developed for the cases in which only the entrance to the oviduct or the upper segment of the oviduct is blocked. In this procedure, ova and sperm are directly injected into the regions of the oviduct, where fertilization produces a blastocyst, which enters the uterus and the normal route. GIFT has a success rate of about 30%. Next one is intracytoplasmic sperm injection. In this treatment, A single sperm cell is injected directly into cytoplasm of an ovum in the laboratory. Here, the sperm has to naturally penetrate the egg. Artificial insemination. In some infertility cases, the male partner is unable to inseminate the female due to a very low sperm count. This problem can be solved by artificial insemination. In this technique, the sperm are collected from the male and artificially introduced into the cervix of the female for the purpose of achieving a pregnancy through in vivo fertilization. In vivo fertilization means the fertilization that takes place inside the body, called as a in vivo fertilization. Intrauterine insemination. In this technique, the process is somewhat like that of artificial insemination. The only difference is that the sperms are introduced in the uterine cavity instead of the cervix. Sperm bank or semen bank. A sperm bank or semen bank is a place which collects, stores, and provides human sperms or semen. The semen is provided by healthy males called as the sperm donors. The sperms are stored in sperm bank by cryopreservation method. Cryopreservation means the process of cooling and storing sperm at very low temperature to maintain their viability. Next one is surrogate mother. Some women have problem in the implantation of embryo in the uterus. Such women can take help of the modern technology called as a surrogacy. In this, embryo is implanted in the surrogate mother, who is not the biological mother. Adoption. Adoption is a legal process by which a couple or a single parent get legal rights and responsibilities that are associated to a biological child for the upbringing of the adopted child. An adoptive parent should be medically fit and financially able to take care of the adopted child. A person wishing to adopt a child must be at least 21 years old, but there is no legal upper age limit for the adoption. Always remember, tobacco, marijuana, and other drug smoking may cause infertility in both male and women. Nicotine blocks the production of sperm and decreases the size of testicles. Alcoholism by men interferes with the synthesis of testosterone and has an impact on sperm count. Use of cocaine or marijuana may temporarily reduce the number and the quality of sperm.